Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to change Google passwords step by step so you can keep your account secure on any device. Step 1. Open Google on your computer or phone and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select Manage your Google account, because this is where all account settings are controlled. Step 2. Once you are on the Google account page, go to the Security section. On a computer, this appears on the left side, and on a phone, it is in the top menu, and it contains all sign-in and protection options. Step 3. Scroll down to how you sign in to Google and click on Password. You will first be asked to enter your current or old password to confirm your identity before you can continue. Step 4. After verifying your old password, enter your new password and confirm it in the boxes provided. Google requires at least 8 characters, and a strong password helps keep your account safe. Step 5. Click Change Password to save your new password. Once the update completes, your Google password is successfully changed on your account. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials.